Hello everybody and welcome to our onboarding webinar. We are so excited to have you here with us and that you want to join our Lingopie family. My name is Deborah and I'm the community manager of Lingopie. I'm from Italy and I speak many languages, but we will get to know each other very soon. Here with me is Gabi, our amazing Spanish teacher.
Hi everyone, I'm Gabi, I'm from Argentina, and I'll be here with tips and tricks that will help you with your Lingopie experience.
Today's webinar is dedicated to you. Since you're new to the platform, we want to make sure that you get the very best out of Lingopie.
Lingopie has many different things to offer, and we want you to know all the benefits you get by subscribing to the platform.
Let's dive in. I'm going to present to you the agenda. We would love to know where are you from and why you are here with us today. Everyone has a different reason for learning a new language, but one thing is certain, you all want to learn. Share your reason in the chat. We'll continue to talk about what Lingopie is and how to get the most out of it. Finally, we'll have a question and answer session where you will be able to ask us anything you want about Lingopie, our team, or anything else.
So, what is Lingopie? Lingopie is a great way to learn a new language while enjoying amazing shows and films from all around the world. The platform provides access to homegrown, quality content and allows viewers to immerse themselves in the target language. But Lingopie is much more than this. We are a large global family where people share their passion for different cultures. A place where people from all over the world can meet and exchange languages tips, movies, and TV recommendations, and much more. Lingopie was founded with the dream of making language learning accessible, easy, and fun for everyone.
Welcome to Lingopie's platform. Let's dive in and see how to get the most out of it. Let's start on the right corner, where we have the language button. Here, you can choose the language you want to learn. Luckily for you, once you've subscribed, you'll have access to TV and movies in all 8 languages. See the Explore button in the top left corner? That brings you straight to our catalog. I'm in the Spanish catalog, and as you can see, there are a bunch of categories. You have the Popular Now, Viewer's Choice, Beginner Friendly, New Releases, and so on. You can also create your own list of shows by clicking My List in the bottom right of each show. This way, you have all your favorites in one single list.
Let's pick a show and discover all the features. I will choose Immature, my favorite Argentinian short film. On the right, you will find the complete script for the entire film. This will make it easier for you to follow along as you watch. Let's move to the player control bar. Starting from the right, we can go full screen. Check out the speed feature, which is really useful as it allows you to adjust the movie speed based on your level. Going from slow to normal speed, you can have full control of the playback. This will help you with your comprehension. Right next to it, we have the loop sentence icon. This allows you to hear a selected phrase on repeat.
Y en un segundo sabe si ya está madura. Y en un segundo sabe si ya está madura.
Click it again and return to regular viewing. The next feature is one of my favorite ones. Say it. Use this feature to improve your speaking skills.
Hola. Now you say it. Hola.
We will provide you with a score which helps you track your progress. Let's have a look at how it works. With the next feature, you can listen and learn how to pronounce complete sentences from the scene you are watching.
Y en un segundo sabe si ya está madura.
And now, we have finally arrived to our beautiful double subtitles. You can opt to have subtitles in both Spanish and English, or only Spanish, or only English. The important part here is that you can click on any Spanish word on the screen and get an instant translation. Once you have clicked on the word, learn its grammatical details and listen to how it's pronounced.
Las personas.
Every word you click on is then added to your personal vocabulary list and flashcards. We'll get to that soon. Miss the word or phrase? No worries. click on the previous caption or next caption buttons to catch up. As mentioned before, every time you click on a word, it is automatically saved to your set of flashcards. Your flashcards can be found at the top of the screen. Click the orange icon to review all of your new words.
Next to the flashcards, in the Review and Practice section, you have the Game button. Learn vocabulary while playing word games. You can choose between Word Master and Pop Quiz. If you are studying Spanish, you also have access to Lingopie Kids. Here, you'll find a variety of safe and fun shows perfect for your little ones. Our shows are picked by educational experts, so watch and learn with the whole family.
Lingopie also offers one-on-one private lessons. As mentioned before, I'm Gabi and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Lingopie. With the private classes, you can improve your fluency and confidence, practice your conversational skills, and discuss your favorite Lingopie shows with professional teachers. Currently, we offer lessons in Spanish, French, Italian, and Portuguese. Want to book your first lesson? Simply click on the private lessons button in the side menu. More information on the class can be found here. Our teachers are waiting for you.
Lingopie also has an amazing forum where all our users can share their thoughts, discuss shows, and ask language-related questions. You can also learn about our events, open classes, and more. Our teachers love sharing tips, so you will always have something new to learn. Click on the forum button and check it out. Another great benefit you get by subscribing to Lingopie is access to our free open classes. At the moment, we offer open classes in Spanish and French, but soon other languages will be added too. The open classes are free and are a great opportunity to meet people, practice your conversational skills, and brush up on your grammar. To find out more, check out the Lingopie events category in our forum. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. We also have a Reddit page and a Facebook group called Lingopie Language Community. Thanks for coming to our onboarding webinar.
Stick around for our Q&A session to get all the answers. We are looking forward to you joining our Lingo fam.
See you really soon! Ciao!
Adios!
Au revoir!